Dear students, next we will see the problem on direct form 1 structure. The transfer function is directly given in that problem, that is h of z equal to 0.28 z square plus 0.3 z plus 0.4 divided by 0.5 z cube plus 0.3 z square plus 0.1 z minus 0.2. So already we know that the transfer function of IIR filter is h of z equal to p0 plus p1 z power minus 1 plus b2 z power minus 2 up to pn z power minus n divided by 1 plus a1 z power minus 1 plus a2 z power minus 2 plus up to am z power minus m. So this is the general equation, that is the transfer function of IIR filter, right? So we have to convert the given equation into this general equation. So in the general equation, the z in power of negative, but our given equation is z in the power of positive. And one more thing you have to notice that the general equation, the denominator is start with 1 plus, that is the constant 1. So we have to convert this equation into this form. So for that, we have to change the first term should be 1. So we have to divide the 0.5 z cube, because here the term, first term is 0.5 z cube. So the term is divided by this term, then only we get the constant 1. So we have to divide the whole transfer function into 0.5 z cube in both numerator and denominator. So 0.28 z square divided by 0.5 z cube plus 0.3 z divided by 0.5 z cube plus 0.4 divided by 0.5 z cube whole divided by 0.5 z cube divided by 0.5 z cube plus 0.3 z square divided by 0.5 z cube plus 0.1 z divided by 0.5 z cube minus 0.2 divided by 0.5 z cube. So now divide these individual terms, we get 0.56 z power minus 1 plus 0.6 z power minus 2 plus 0.8 z power minus 3 divided by 1 plus 0.6 z power minus 1 plus 0.2 z power minus 2 plus 0.4 z power minus 3. So in this equation, which is equal to the general equation, that is the denominator start with 1 and the z power in terms of negative series. So now compare the equation, that is the general equation 1 and the given equation in that problem equation 2. Compare these two equations, we get this is 0.56 z inverse, here p0. There is no constant in numerator term. So the b0 value should be 0. Then b1 is multiplied with z power minus 1. So here z power minus 1 is multiplied with the term 0.56, so which is equal to b1. So likewise, we have to compare the general equation term with our problem equation. So from that comparison, we have find the values of p0, p1, p2, p3, a1, a2, a3. So in the previous video, I already told that if the denominator term is positive means the value should be negative term. If it is minus means the value should be positive, right? So likewise, we have to take in the b0, b1, b2, b3, a1, a2, a3. If z power minus 3 now, which is up to b3. In some problems, there is no values of z squared. That is the equation contain only 0.56 z inverse plus 0.8 z power minus 3. There is no values in z power minus 2. So in that case, the b2 value is 0. Okay. But here, there is no difficult like that. So here, each value is pointed, right? So from that value, we have to draw the direct form 1 structure. So already we know the general structure of direct form 1. So in both the numerator and denominator, delay element is up to 3. So we have to draw the 3 delay element on each sides. Then directly substitute the value, that is p0. p0 value is 0, p1, p2, p3. Here a1, a2, a3, right? Is it clear? So next problem, h of z equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 z inverse divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse into 1 plus 1 by 2 z inverse. Draw the direct form 1 structure. So in direct form 1 structure, the equation, general equation should be in terms of z power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that, okay. But here the denominator function is given in terms of the cascade structure, which is suitable for cascade realization structure. But in direct form 1 structure, we combine these two terms into single term, right? So for that you simplify these two terms like this. That is, the 1 is multiplied with this term and minus 1 by 2 is multiplied with this terms. So we get 1 plus 1 by 2 z inverse minus 1 by 2 z inverse plus minus 1 by 4 z power minus 2. So these two terms cancel. So remaining is 1 minus 1 by 4 z inverse divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 z power minus 2. So now compare this equation with general equation of IIR filter. So in numerator B0 is constant, that is 1, B1 is minus 1 by 4, then A1, here A1 is not available because A1 is 0, because in denominator there is no terms in z power minus 1. It starts with z power minus 2. So we have to take A1 is 0 and A2 is plus 1 by 4, okay. So we know the structure of direct form 1. So you simply saw the structure, draw this structure and directly substitute this B0, B1 value and A1, A2 value. So in this denominator side we have to draw the 2 delay, because here is z power minus 2. So we have to draw 2 delay element, but we have to put A1 value is 0. The remaining are same, okay. So in this sum you need to draw the direct form 1 structure. I am just explaining these steps only. So the diagram should be drawn by you only, right? The next one, implement h of z using cascade structure. So this is the given transfer function. So in that transfer function directly given in terms of the multiplication of two transfer function, that is h of z equal to, this term is taken as h1 of z and this term is taken as h2 of z, right? So first h1 of z, so compare this equation to general equation and find b0, b1, b2, a1, a2 value like this, and second term is taken as h2 of z. So from that, comparing the general equation, we find out this b0, b1, a1, a2 value. So in h1 of z, initially we have to draw the direct form 2 structure, which is cascaded with the direct form 2 structure of h2 of z, right? So first to draw the direct form 2 structure for this one, that is h1 of z. So in this portion you need to draw the direct form 2 for these values. After this output you again join the h2 of z, that is by using these values to draw the direct form 2 structure. Then combine these two, we get the cascade structure, right? Okay. So next problem, that is the differential equation is given, right? Y of n equal to y of n minus 5 by 8, y of n minus 1 minus 1 by 16, y of n minus 2 equal to x of n minus 3 x of n minus 1 plus 3 x of n minus 2 minus x of n minus 3. So in that question, using this differential equation to draw the direct form 1, direct form 2, cascade and parallel structure. So for this IIR structure realization, we have the general equation, that is h of z equal to p0 plus p1 z1 z power minus 1 up to pn z power minus n divided by 1 plus a1 up to a power n into z power minus m, right? But here that given equation in terms of n. So first you have to change this n into z power minus 1. For that we are going to apply the inverse z transform. So to apply the inverse z transform to this equation, we get y of z minus 5 by 8 y of z into z power minus 1 minus 1 by 16 y of z into z power minus 2 equal to x of z minus 3 x of z into z power minus 1 plus 3 x of z into z power minus 2 minus x of z into z power minus 3. So in the LHS side, we have to take y of z is common. So this is 1 minus 5 by 8 is the power minus 1 minus 1 by 16 to the power minus 2. In RHS side, you have to take x of z is common. So 1 minus 3 z inverse plus 3 z power minus 2 minus z power minus 3. Then the transfer function h of z equal to y of z divided by x of z. So this term divided by this term. So this is the transfer function of the given problem. Now compare this equation into general equation and find out the b0, b1, b2, b3 value and a1, a2 value, right? So we know the general structure of direct form 1, 2, cascade form and parallel form. So simply draw the diagram and directly substitute this value for direct form 1 and 2. But in the case of cascade, you have to separate this denominator factor into two terms. So for that we are going to apply, that is multiplication of 1 by 16 and add two values to get the minus 5 by 8. So 1 by 16, this is 5 by 8. Okay. So here plus 1 by 16. So in this equation plus 1 by 16. So now multiply two terms we get 1 by 16 and add two terms we get minus 5 by 18. So from that method you have to find the two roots. We get 1 by 8 and 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 2. So these are the two roots. By using these two roots we have to separate this term into two functions, that is h1 of z and h2 of z, right? So likewise you have to find the partial fraction method for drawing the parallel structure. Okay. So this is the homework problem, that is h of z equal to 1 minus p cos omega naught z power minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2p cos omega naught z power minus 1 plus b squared z power minus 2. Draw the direct form 2 structure. Okay. So we know the general structure of direct form 2. So here in numerator only we have a 1 delay element z power minus 1 and denominator we have a z power minus 2. So you have to draw the 2 delay element. So compare this equation with the general equation. Then b0 value equal to 1, b1 value equal to minus p cos omega naught and a1 value is plus 2p cos omega naught plus a2 value is minus b squared. So from these details we can easily draw the direct form 2 structure. The next problem, draw the cascade realization for the following impulse response. So here h of z is given in terms of the z power negative, right? So now separate this h of z into multiplication of transfer function. Here denominator we have a 3 terms. So we have to separate this h of z into, this one is h1 of z and this factor is h2 of z and third factor is h3 of z. So first to draw the direct form 2 for this h1 of z, which is series connected with h2 of z, then h3 of z, right? And third problem, implement h of z using parallel form. So here also the h of z function is given in terms of the two factor, this h1 of z and h2 of z, because it's given in addition, right? So no need to apply the partial fraction method already, which is in the form of the partial fraction. So you have to take this term is h1 of z and this term is h2 of z and draw the direct form 2 structure for this one and draw the direct form 2 structure for h2 of z, which is connected in parallel with this h1 of z. Here fourth one, implement h of z using parallel realization structure. H of z equal to 1 plus 2 z power n minus 1. Here denominator having a 3 terms, right? So this problem and both the problems are same, that is we have to draw the parallel realization structure, but the given transfer function is different. Here which is given in terms of the addition, here fully multiplication. So in that problem you are going to apply the partial fraction method, that is a by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse plus b divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 z inverse plus c divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 z inverse, and then find a, b, c value. After that we have to find a one constant value initially, right? So initially to find the constant value, for that you have directly divide this value into this value by using a long division rule method, and then next find the partial fraction method. Okay. After that to draw the structure of each transfer function which is connected in parallel of each one. Then fifth problem, obtain the direct form 1 to cascade realization parallel structure of discrete time system described by the difference equation. I already explained this problem, how to find the convert the h of z. So once convert the h of z, then draw the direct form 1 and 2. After that find the 2 factor which can be used in a cascade structure. Okay. So in generally the structure of IIR filter, you mainly concentrate 2 things. One is the transfer function in terms of z power negative, and the denominator is start with 1. So in this condition only we can easily find out the P0, B1, B2 value, A1, A2, A3 value. If it is directly not given means you have to convert the given structure with the help of inverse Z transform, and the denominator first term is divided by both numerator and denominator, we get the constant 1 value. So the question may be given any type of format, but our aim is to convert the general IIR structure like this format. Okay.